In today's As Bob Sees It, I want to discuss Walt Disney World's most efficient form of transportation, the ferry boats. They've been on the scene since July of 1972. They didn't start with the park, but it probably would have made the park opening go a lot better if they had. So while we're on board and headed towards the Magic Kingdom, let's discuss the ferry boats. When Disney World first opened in October of 1971, they had two side-wheelers, each one holding up to 250 passengers. But that wasn't going to be near enough for opening day. They had to put all resources to use. So Disney's Director of Operations, Dick Nunes, called in not only all of the resort launches, but also a couple of the Mike Fink keel boats to take passengers over to the Magic Kingdom. So you can imagine how pleased Disney was to have the new ferry boats, Magic Kingdom 1 and Magic Kingdom 2, to help out the side-wheelers, Ports of Call and Southern Seas, even though they had the least original names ever. As a matter of fact, it wasn't until 1997 when Magic Kingdom 1 became the Admiral Joe Fowler and Magic Kingdom 2 became the Richard F. Irving. Or was that Irvine? Both the 1 and 2 were built in Tampa Bay and are actually three-quarter size copies of the 1932 Staten Island ferry. Now the third boat, the Kingdom Queen, came online in 1976, and in 1997, that name was changed to the General Joe Potter. The General Joe is really the easiest to spot because of its two smokestacks, but the real secrets were upstairs. Because of its nighttime duty as a party barge, it had a dance floor, 2 bars, and restrooms. But all that stuff was removed in 2001, and even the restrooms are gone. Now, as far as handicap loading procedures, well, the ferries have pretty much the easiest handicap loading procedures you can find because you just board like everybody else does, straight up the ramp, straight onto the ferry. And at 120 feet long and 35 feet wide, the ferries handle 600 passengers apiece compared to the 360 on a monorail. So, first thing in the morning, you might want to get there and go by ferry. It may be faster than the monorails when you're heading over to the Magic Kingdom. Because powered by 2 Caterpillar 275 horsepower diesel engines, they move along at a pretty good clip. And no, they're not on rails like the Liberty Bell Riverboat over in Magic Kingdom. And as far as ports of call, there's only 2, the Tickets and Transportation Center and the Magic Kingdom docks itself. Although you may occasionally see them back on Bay Lake headed towards the dock and dry dock area. Like, here's the Richard F. Irvine going past Contemporary. Or is it Irving? The dry docks are located in the industrial area, back near Disney University. This is also where they take the resort launches and the resort cruisers, because you really only need 3 ferry boats during opening and closing. And during opening and closing, it can get really busy. But don't worry, Disney's got it down to a science. They can move around 1,800 people on those 3 ferry boats. And because of the second slips they built on both sides in 2014, they can actually have 2 ferry boats in at the same time. And when headed to the Magic Kingdom, you've already been through security over at Tickets and Transportation, so you can head directly to the turnstiles. And since we've already discussed the General Joe Potter, we should go over the other 2 ferry boats. And the easiest way to tell them apart is color. The Fowler is green, and the Irving is maroon. Or is it Irvine? Oh, and the General Joe? Well, that's blue. And since ferry boats head both directions, there's 2 pilot houses, usually with a pilot in each. And unfortunately, just like the monorails, you can't ride up there with the pilot anymore. Well, here we are at the Magic Kingdom, and I hope you enjoyed this trip on Walt Disney World's ferry boat. So, have an enjoyable stay. him, he's just laying around waiting for your likes and comments. And I hope you enjoyed the video too. And you'll choose to subscribe to the channel. And remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.